I'm in love. I'm in love. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I styled this beautiful kinky straight 16-inch V-part wig from UNICE. Stay tuned. And here are my final results of my kinky straight 16-inch V-part wig from UNICE. Absolutely loving this V-part wig. If you have not checked out my kinky curly V-part wig from UNICE, I'll link that up in the cards above somewhere. So make sure that you check that out. But I'm definitely loving it. The blend is amazing. The texture is amazing. She's thick, she's full, she's kinky. So I did put a couple of 2-strand twists in it just to tame her down a little bit, and it gave me just like a little body wave. I didn't wet it, just added some of my Miche Beauty Bounce Curl Defining Cream and some chunky twists, and these are the results. Definitely loving this unit. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. There's so much you can do with this unit. You can wear it like the original state. You can add some twists or some two-strand twists, or you can add some braids to it, do a braid out. You can add flexi rods to it. You can straighten it. The styles are endless. So I'll definitely be trying out a variety of different styles, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.